A feature that's available in all computer programs on any system throughout the world is a term called cut, copy, paste. Now you'll find these buttons over in the top left corner of the ribbon. Now although they're slightly greyed out at the moment because we haven't done anything, you'll notice that we have a pair of scissors called cut, a button that's got a picture of two pieces of paper called copy, and a larger button to the left called paste. Cut, copy, paste. Let's demonstrate what this does. If you wanted to make a copy of this title here, you would first of all select it by highlighting it. Then you could use the copy button, and if we click on copy, it makes a copy of this into the computer's memory. We can then come down to the bottom of the document and then click on the clipboard called paste. And there you can see it's done an exact copy of this. That is a copy. Whatever you highlight can be copied into another location or even a totally new document. The cut is the same, but this actually moves something. For example, let's say that I've decided that this paragraph here should not have been written here, but it should have been written after these points are made here. So once we've selected what we want to cut, we use the pair of scissors, which is called cut. You'll notice it's physically cut the paragraph out. Don't worry, you haven't lost it, it's in the computer's memory. You then click your mouse cursor where you would like it to go. For example, I've made a bit of room here by pressing the enter key, and I've clicked where I want to paste it. So just like we did with copy, we move our cursor onto the little picture of the clipboard, which is called a paste button. Click on paste, and there you can see the text is placed down here. Copy and paste, cut and paste. We can use our undo and redo buttons here. Up on the title bar, you've got the undo, and next to it is the redo. So if I felt that that cut and copy and paste that I just used on my document was a mistake, I could undo what I've just done. If I click on the undo button and keep clicking, I will eventually get back to putting the text that I just moved back to where it originated from. So you see it's gone from the bottom to the top. If I decided that I wanted that to remain down the bottom, I could use the redo button to redo the moves. And this is kind of like travelling backwards and forwards into time. Cut, copy and paste.